special session be in the works addressing the controversial Stand Your Ground law. Our political consultant joins us now to talk about that issue for Inside Politics, Left and Right.
You know, it's really interesting the way everyone wants to have a hand in this issue, because it's a very sad situation.
It's a tragedy.
It really bothers me because this kind of stuff continues to erupt in Florida. And because we're the kind of state we are, we're so diverse, yet we have some serious problems. Now, the Democratic leader, incoming leader, Representative Perry Thurston, the chair of the Black Caucus, Representative Mia Jones, and Representative Geraldine Thompson of Orlando asked the Speaker to have a special session to address the Stand Your Ground law.
Today.
And he said no. He said, let's look at the facts.
Well, I don't think he should say no, but I think saying yes at this point is premature. It may very well call for a special session, but I think we not only need to know more of the facts surrounding the Trayvon Martin case in particular, but also the task force report that, the task force that the governor has now appointed to look at the Stand Your Ground law. Let's look at how many cases it's been applied to. Apparently, a whole bunch. And so,
but you know, and then Chris Smith, the incoming Democratic leader in the Senate, once we heard the answer from the Speaker, then he asked the governor to call the special session. And my guess is the governor's going to say this, pretty much the same thing with his commission and stuff. And you know what? I don't know. Maybe you know if any of those people that asked to be on the governor's commission are on this investigatory commission.
I don't, because I don't know who asked to be on it. It's chaired by the lieutenant governor.
The black leaders. Well, it needs to be more than her on there. I can tell you that.
And I haven't seen the makeup of the commission or the task force. But let me say again, I think this special session might be in order. But I don't think we know that right now, and I don't think the leadership on either side of the aisle really has enough facts to, because if you go in a special session, it means you're going to change the law. Well, what are you going to change? What part? Is it an outright repeal? Is it to change the circumstances where it would be applicable? Until they know that answer, going into special session, as you know, is dead end.
Well, aren't you bothered by the outward appearance of impropriety by the police department? And then I wonder if the media's role has heightened a lot of this scrutiny and the leaks from the police department. I think that is just unconscionable with such a firebrand and so much emotion involved here, especially for people of color. And it's a problem.
I'm bothered by a lot of it, not just the police part, but the so-called other side of the story that we're now beginning to hear. And I don't know if that's factual or not. It's just too early to call for a special session, but we shouldn't rule one out.
But you know, the thing about now what's going on with the young man, with Trayvon, and all of these things that are being leaked out have nothing to do with the fact that he is dead. And he is dead because he's a black child. I mean,
well, I don't think I know enough facts to agree with you.
Oh, how can you
I
not,
hope you're
Fred?
wrong.
Fred,
listen, I hope you're wrong.
The guy said on the tape, yes, he's a black male. The officer told him.
The guy being Hispanic himself. Are you suggesting
you mean Hispanics aren't racist?
Well, I don't know. I guess anyone can be a racist.
Well, he's you know, anyway, he said he was told not to pursue that kid. And he did anyway. And then he's heard mumbling all that. Well, it's not a crime, but the kid is dead.
Well, is the kid dead?
And he weighed 140 pounds, and he weighed 240 pounds. So
we don't know the facts.
It's troublesome.
It is troublesome,
it's
and we need to look at it.
extremely troublesome.
Anyway, bright news. Special session is over as of 2:30 today.
Yay!
See you next week.
Okay. From Inside Politics, Left
and Right. Thank you to you two. We appreciate it.